How's it going, guys? We're going to go ahead and review the Philips Roku TV 65-inch model 65PFL Series 4864. Now, this TV, guys, only cost me $350 at Walmart. I don't know if they still have the same deal, but I had to pick it up right away. 65 inches. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it is 4K. I picked it up right away. Got it for $350. There's my email. You guys want to email me? All right. So there's all the about system info there. We're going to go back. Now, I was a little skeptical that it had screen mirroring, but apparently if you go under the system, it does have screen mirroring. Check it out. This is the remote that it comes with. Very easy to use. Too easy, I should add. Sorry for it being a little blurry. My wife didn't really like it. She thinks that a TV that's really good is supposed to have a really fancy remote. No, this is the way I like it. Quick button to Netflix, shortcut button to Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max. I wish I had ESPN here. And that's the good thing. Talking about ESPN, let's go back to the home section here. It does have ESPN. Hell yeah. The last TV that I had a what brand was it? I'm forgetting here. I'm drawing a blank here. Let's just say it was a really bad brand. It did not have ESPN. LG. I had to remember Life's Great. LG. I had an LG and it didn't have ESPN, but this one does. I actually like this TV for $350. Shoot, this is a bargain here. So it looks like we have 3 HDMI connections. We have AV. It does have fiber optic in the back if you want to plug in speakers on it. What else wanted to show you guys? Oh yeah, it is 4K, like I said. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it that well, but let's go to YouTube real quick. Oh, that ain't good. You guys are seeing my messy living room. Dang it. I was hoping you guys didn't see it, but you guys could see it through the... We were here last night watching a movie and I need to clean it up. But anyway, let's go look for 4K. 4K test. And like I said, you guys are probably not going to be able to see it through this video, but we're just going to test it. 4K test. All right, here we are. Real 4K nature. Let's put the volume up. If she wins, the season will fall. That's only the beginning. I'm not gonna get that. Hold on. We got ads popping up. Hopefully that doesn't mess up our YouTube channel. But anyway, after the ads, it'll start. Let me skip that ad. There we go. Look at that, guys. $350. You got 65-inch TV. Look at that. You can actually see the... Damn, that looks really good. You guys probably can't see the full glory on the video. But from where I'm standing, whoa. That is some 4K right there. Let's fast forward it a little bit. But that looks really good, guys. Really good. That is really, really good. So yeah, my review on this TV, I'm going to give it a 10. Because of the value, $350, 65-inch 4K TV. Can't get any better than that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, I'm going to zoom in like this. Look at that. 4K works beautiful. So I recommend this TV. I got it from Walmart for $350. I hope you guys still can. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's the remote again if you guys wanted to see it. Volume's on the side. It's all there. And it's actually fast. There's some other TVs I've tried. Look how fast it is. Boom, 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 boom. There's other TVs that I've tried that, oh my God. Especially, watch. Let's go search for something. This drives me nuts on other TVs, man. Look how fast you could search. Look, boom, 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 boom. Other TVs is like you hit up and it takes forever. But look how fast it is. Boom, 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 boom. Go down, pick a video. Boom. That's what I like to see. I like this TV. You get your best value from. Look at that. Whoa. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the next video.